Congratulations! Paano ba yan? Ikakasal ka na? Parang kailan lang. At least natuloy na ngayon yung kasal ninyo and we're happy for that. Ikaw, sasabihin mo.
Okay, go muna.
Sige. Kasi ang wish ko lang sana, dahil syempre magkaiba kayo ng personalities, binadevelop nyo yung common interest nyo, tsaka sana you work together towards your common goal. Alam nyo naman na ang marriage lifelong commitment yan, kaya walang atrasan na to, tuloy na to. Sana maging successful yung marriage nyo, makapagbata kayo or endure over the years, at sana it will bring happiness and contentment to both of you guys. At more important, maging sentro sana ng inyong kasal, ng inyong pamumuhay, ay si God, para malampasan niyo lahat ng mga pagsubok na darating sa buhay niyo.
Well, Demer, for you naman. Well, alam ko hindi tayo masyadong marami yung pinagsamahan, pero in the short period of time, nakita ko yung sipag mo at saka ang tiyaga mo sa kay Che. Hindi, joke lang. Alam ko marami na kayo pinagdaanan, but we're happy na sa wakas magtay na rin kayo ng knot. So we're thankful and we're happy for you guys, and hopefully your marriage will last forever. Alam niyo naman, maraming challenges na darating, financially, emotionally, magkaroon kayo ng mga stress sa buhay, pero always cling on God para mas patatagin pa nila kayo. Tsaka congratulations ulit. Alam ko magiging isang happy family kayo, lalo na sa inyong mga anak. Kami may anak. Ito, kamukha namin. Yeah, yun lang. So, yeah, that's it. And hope you have enjoy your party over there. Sorry we can't be there. And maybe sometime soon we'll see each other.
Alright, congrats, Che. We love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Off ko na.